green peas Chayote rice or green peas Mirliton rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the Chayote recipes and one of the most nutritious of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most delicious of the peas recipes. Today we are going to make green peas Chayote rice. The ingredients are 100 grams of chayote peeled and cut in pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, around 100 grams of green peas soaked in water for 6 to 8 hours. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the ginger. Salt, ginger, put in the onion pieces. Keep on salt. Now put in the garlic, salt, thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the tomato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Put in salt to taste. Keep on sauteing. Salt and mix the salt with the rest of the ingredients. Put in the chayote peas, salt, mix thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in a spoon of mixture spices, thoroughly mix. Now Put in half a spoon of chili powder. Put in a quarter spoon of asafoetida powder. Mix. Put in the green peas. Mix in the green peas with the rest of the ingredients. Thoroughly mix. Pour in 300 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. For the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 5 more minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the green peas chayote rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final green peas chayote rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the chayote recipes and one of the most different of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most unique of the green peas recipes and one of the most delicious of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.